2013 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, compass, security system, fog lights, power windows, CD player, trip computer, brake assist, UCONNECT hands-free group, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, tachometer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.